Okay, you'll notice that I have a triangle over here. It's not a right angle triangle, and I've labeled this as A, B, and C. And the sides opposite to those angles A, B, and C are also labeled, and you'll notice they're labeled as lowercase a, lowercase b, and lowercase c. And I have a formula over here for the cosine rule, which is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. And you'll notice that I've highlighted cos a because I want to make cos a the subject of the formula. So, and the reason why I want to do that is that I want to work out the sides of angle A. So, and if you have been watching this carefully, you will notice that that bit over there is negative. Now, what I can do is I can take all of that on the left hand side. So this will now become 2bc cos of angle A is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared. Since I want cos of A, then I can divide both sides by 2bc. So this will become b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2 times bc. So this is 2bc. So you'll notice that this formula over here allows me to calculate the angle A. So A will be cos inverse of all of that. And the same token, I can write the other ones as well, which will be cos, so I don't like this, so cos B is equal to, so remember your formula is going to be b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos of B. So you want to write cos of B, so cos B is going to be a squared plus c squared minus b squared divided by 2ac. Okay, and if your formula is going to be c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos of angle C, then you're going to write cos of C is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared divided by 2ab. Okay, so you'll notice I have got three formulae over here that you can use. So it's just a matter of remembering your basic formula, which is a squared equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A, and then you can rearrange it to work out the angle. So let's do one example. Okay, I know how to choose a black pen. So here we go. So, example. So it says here, use the cosine. Okay, I'm going to use the cosine rule to calculate the size of angle A in the triangle shown below. Rewrite this over here. Okay, so if I sketch a triangle here, so I'm going to label this as A, B, C. And the sides labeled are 6 centimeters here. We have 5 cent. Oh my God. Let's undo this part. Okay, it's 5 centimeters here, and then this is going to be 3 centimeters there. Alright, and I want to find angle A over here. So we remember, we know our rule is this. We have A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of angle A. And I want cos A to be the subject of the formula, so that is going to be B squared plus C squared minus A squared divided by 2BC. Okay, if I substitute the values in here, okay, I have 6 squared plus 5 squared minus 3 squared divided by 2 times 6 times 5, and that is equal to cos of angle A. So that's going to be 6 squared is 36 plus 25 minus 9 divided by 60. So that means A is going to be cos inverse of, that is going to be 60. 36 plus 25 minus 9. It's going to be 52. So finding cos inverse of 52 divided by 60. So shift cos inverse of 52 divided by 60 is going to be, angle A is going to be 29.926. I'm going to write this as 29.9 degrees correct to 1 dp. And that is the size of that angle. So we can do another one very quickly, and this time will be example 2. Calculate the size of the largest angle in this triangle. Now I'll just go and draw the shape here, and let's see if I can do that. So that's there, something like that. Okay, and so this side, and I'm going to label this as P. That doesn't like that. P Q R. So this is 26 centimeters here. That is 18. This one over here is 15 centimeters. Okay, so then we have these two angles over here. They look quite similar, but this is the largest angle there, which is angle Q. So I can go and write my rule over here. So you can say this is going to be Q is equal to that, right? P is equal to 18 and R is equal to 15. So remember, cos of Q is going to be R squared. So we could go P squared plus R squared minus Q squared over 2P times R. Okay, so P squared over here is going to be 18 squared plus 15 squared minus 26 squared divided by 2 times 18 times 15. So cos of q is equal to that. So let's do the maths in here. 18 squared plus 15 squared minus 26 squared. And that gives me minus 127 divided by 2 times 18 times 15. That gives me 540. Okay, therefore Q is going to be cos inverse of negative 127 and 540. And when you do that, go minus 127, shift cos inverse of minus 127 by 540 comes to 103.60 degrees. So Q is equal to 103.60, and that is going to be rounded to 103.6 degrees, correct to one decimal place. Thank you. That's it.